Good Friday afternoon and welcome aboard. This is your 445 train making all station stops to Bloomington Go on the Richmond Hill Line. My name's Craig. I'm your customer service ambassador this afternoon. I'm speaking to you from our accessibility coach 2540. I'm located approximately at the center of this train. And on behalf of your operating crew as well as Go Transit, thank you for traveling with us this afternoon. We do hope you enjoy your trip. Our first station stop will be Oriole. Oriole Station is next, and once again we make all station stops to Bloomington Go, final stop on the Richmond Hill Line. There's a friendly reminder that the quiet zone is currently in effect on the top floor of each coach on this train. Please do enjoy your ride.